Nagaland is a multilingual tribal state located in the northeastern part of India, which comprises of a mostly non-vegetarian population. The backyard poultry farming covers about 97% of the total poultry population and consists mostly of indigenous birds with slower growth rate and only lays less number of eggs. The per capita availability of eggs and meat in Nagaland is lower than the recommended level, and the status of organized poultry sector in Nagaland is too little. Vanaraja is a dual-purpose bird and Srinidhi is an egg producer that have multicolored pattern, perform on low plant nutrition, grow faster and produce more eggs with brown shell like those of the local variety. Another advantage of this breed is the ability of this breed to withstand disease and infections better than the local varieties. The bird also requires small space, less capital investment, quick return and well-distributed turnover throughout the year, which has immense scope for transforming backyard poultry farming as remunerative in rural as well as urban areas. The ICR Research Complex for Northeastern Hill Nagaland Center initiated the production of quality germplasm of Vanaraja and Srinidhi under the Poultry Seed Project in collaboration with ICR DPR Hyderabad. The center is also responsible for imparting various on-farm and off-the-farm training to sensitize the farmer about scientific backyard poultry farming. The routine farm activities in the poultry unit start with feeding and watering of the birds, and the birds receive a well-balanced, calculated amount of feed and water. This is followed by collection of eggs, which is done on daily basis. Freshly laid eggs are collected on trays provided at the farm. The eggs are examined whether they are soiled with dirt or feces, cracks, as well as shellless eggs. A solution of disinfectant in cotton swab is used for cleaning the eggs before they are transferred to the storage room. The eggs are stored in the egg storage room, maintained at 18 degrees Celsius to prevent spoilage. Eggs are collected for about 7 days, which consist of a particular batch, and examined before they are set in the setter machine. Only fertile eggs are selected, which are taken inside the setter for incubation. The poultry hatchery unit comprises of a setter, which can house 15,000 eggs, and a hatcher for 5,000 eggs capacity. The domestic fowl takes 21 days of incubation for chicks to hatch out. Therefore, only the eggs which have met the standard criteria for incubation are transferred inside the setter. The setter temperature is maintained at 99.5 to 99.9 degree Fahrenheit and a relative humidity of 86 to 86.8%. The setter is auto-tuned for turning of the eggs at 45 degree angle. Turning of eggs is an important part of the incubation in order to avoid sticking of the embryo in one particular site. The eggs which have completed 18 days of incubation are taken out from the setter, which is followed by candling. Candling is the process of removing infertile, broken, cracked eggs before they are transferred into the hatcher. Only the fertile eggs are selected and transferred to the hatcher, and the temperature of the hatcher is maintained at 98.5 to 98.7 degree Fahrenheit and a relative humidity of 87.5 to 92%. After the eggs complete the incubation period, the newly hatched chicks are taken out from the hatcher and transferred to new chick containers, after which counting of the chick is also done. After one batch of hatching, the hatcher is disinfected using potassium and formalin, which is prepared for the next batch of eggs. Breeding is essential for birds immediately after hatch to provide required temperature and protection from predators. A layer of newspaper is spread over 2 to 4 inches of litter material, which can be either paddy husk or sawdust, in the brooder, and feed is spread over the paper for the first 2 to 4 days. Electric bulb fitted to a brooder is used as a source of heat and provide the required temperature for the brooding chicks. The poultry bird is vaccinated against Ranicate disease, and drop of Lasota or F1 is given on the 5th day, followed by booster of R2B subcutaneous injection. Regular racking of litter material of the poultry shed prevents cake formation as well as prevent other diseases. Depicking is also done for the layer birds at 14 weeks of age in order to prevent egg breaking, cannibalism, etc. The birds start laying eggs at 22 weeks of age, which becomes the parent stock of the next batch, and the cycle of egg production continues. The Vanaraja and Srinidhi variety are well adapted in both intensive as well as free-range system. The low-cost investment in housing does not hamper the production performance of the bird, which encourages the farmers to venture in investing using this variety of chicken to meet the demand of egg and meat.
We at ICAR Nagaland Center are running very important project of poultry seed project. The poultry seed project, the mandate is we have to distribute the improved germplasm of rural backyard poultry to the tribal farmers and to develop the capacity of the farmers. So under this project, what we are doing, mainly we are doing Vanaraja and Srinidhi poultry breeds. We are bringing parent stock from our ICAR Hyderabad unit and we are raising those parent stock here and we are producing chicks from those parent stocks. Demand of the poultry in Nagaland is very high because of the non-vegetarian habit of the people here. Secondly, important thing is that there is no other source of availability of chicken germplasm in the state. Farmers are depending on the other source of the supply. So that is also aberrant supply, you can say. And what we are providing at regular interval of weekly, we are providing chicks to the farmers. And these varieties are developed for the purpose of propagating or raising in the backyard setting. So Vanaraja is a dual purpose breed giving around 150 eggs in the backyard condition, and Srinidhi give around 220 eggs in backyard condition in 1 year. And they attain the body weight of around 2 to 2.5 kg in 3 months of age. So rearing these breeds is very important. In the ICAR Nagaland Center under our poultry seed project, we have almost provided around 10 lakh of these improved germplasm since 2009-10. And this is well received by the farmer in all districts of Nagaland, including Mon, Twinsang, Kifre and Junuboto, Longlang, all remotely placed districts. They have very high demand of these because these birds resemble your desi chicken variety available in the farmer's field. So our main purpose is to enhance the availability of chicken meat in the state so that state need not to bring it from other states. Thank you.